How to make a Discord account. So here is a step-by-step guide to create a Discord account on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, simply make sure that you have downloaded the Discord app from the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Then once downloaded, simply tap on the Discord app available from your home screen. Then you can simply see register option available there. Simply tap on the register and navigate to the entering your informations. Now here tap on the email option or phone option according to your preferences. I'm signing in using my email. So simply type down your email and tap on the next option available there. And once you tap on the next, you can simply write what's your name, and it can also be changed later. Then as you can see, Discord has given me a check mark on my username. Now simply enter your password and tap on the next option available there. Make sure you enter the strong password. Then simply tap on the save password and navigate to the another section, and here enter your birth date and make sure that you are more than 13 plus, older depending on your country. Then tap on the confirm option available there. Then a CAPTCHA will be appeared on your screen. Simply solve the CAPTCHA and tap on the next option available there. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.